इधर अगरतला में नए सचिवालय भवन में शिक्षकों को जीवन कौशल के साथ सशक्त बनाने पर एक ऑनलाइन कार्यशाला का उद्घाटन किया गया। इस कार्यशाला का आयोजन त्रिपुरा आदिवासी कल्याण आवासीय शैक्षणिक संस्थान सोसाइटी के तहत किया था। कार्यक्रम का उद्देश्य आदिवासी स्कूलों तक अत्याधुनिक तकनीकी उपकरणों को मुहैया कराना और उनके इस्तेमाल की ट्रेनिंग देना रहा। कार्यक्रम की शुरुआत करते हुए पहले ही दिन करीब 100 शिक्षकों को ऑनलाइन प्रशिक्षण दी गई। शिक्षकों को पढ़ाई के साथ साथ बच्चों को जीवन कौशल, बच्चों को पाठ्यक्रम पढ़ाने और सिखाने को कैसे रोचक बनाया जाए, इसकी ट्रेनिंग दी गई। राज्य सचिव तनुश्री देव बर्मन ने कहा कि इससे न केवल शिक्षा की गुणवत्ता में सुधार होगा, बल्कि छात्रों को जीवन में विभिन्न चुनौतियों का सामना करने में भी मदद मिलेगी।
MOTA, that is Ministry of Tribal Affairs, Government of India, has been supporting Government of Tripura for various initiatives, especially for residential training for tribal children. These schools are located in the remotest locations of the state, and already we have 5 such residential schools. These schools give 100% free education, including uniforms, fooding, lodging, everything is free for the child, and all the meritorious students are selected through merit exams. We have been taking up this program on teacher training towards life skills training. So it is not for academic achievement, but for life skills achievement, so that children become, especially because these children come from remote and financially poorer backgrounds, these children need to be, in the absence of their parents, guided to be better or ready for life. So how to cope with failure in life. There'll be so many instances where we face tragedy in life. COVID itself has given so many social, cultural differences that people are finding hard to cope with. So all these components will be trained as a 16-hour session for each of our teachers. About 100 plus teachers will be trained during this session. It will last for February and March. And we are also taking up other initiatives like career counseling for our teachers, so that they can better train the students for career opportunities that are available. Also for child protection, we'll be taking a lot of initiatives in the coming future.
Thank you.